Okay. Sekiakin Hausa, Ata Oja Opigala. He did this project in 3 years' time. The project was initiated in November 2009 and completed. Right now it's a completed stage. It's almost completed now. The only remaining about a year and a half ago, it is now completed. All the equipments are on ground. We are in partnership with the Nasara Medical Center in Egypt, who run this hospital on international best medical practices. We are sure this hospital will serve not only Katsina, but the 19 northern states of Nigeria and indeed this nation, offering the best medical services in these areas. So I'm happy to show you around to see what we have done and what dividends of democracy are doing to the people of Katsina. Thank you.
We are now